This guide will help you enable low performance settings in Apex Legends to improve gameplay on lower-end systems. Follow these steps to optimize your game settings. Step 1. Launch the game. Open Apex Legends on your computer. Wait for the game to load to the main menu where you can access the settings. Step 2. Access the settings menu. From the main menu, click on the gear icon or the settings option. This will take you to the game settings where you can adjust various options. Step 3. Navigate to video settings. In the settings menu, find and select the video tab. This section contains all the graphical settings that can be adjusted for performance. Step 4. Adjust graphic settings. Lower the graphic settings by changing options such as resolution, texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing to their lowest values. This will help reduce the load on your system. Step 5. Save and apply changes. After adjusting the settings, make sure to click on the Apply button to save your changes. Exit the settings menu and start a game to see the improvements in performance. By following these steps, you should experience better performance in Apex Legends on lower-end systems. Enjoy your gaming!